Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the #1 sales system for myEcon. If you are looking at myEcon as a viable business or looking for the right team to join, make sure you watch this video all the way through. My friend, you are in the right place. So plain and simple, I helped create a system that literally helps average everyday people plug into myEcon and start duplicating. As you can see, this is a screenshot from the members area, and this is the total team sales for the week so far. At the time of this video, it is only a Tuesday, and as you can see, that is literally dozens and dozens of sales. These people are plugging into our system, using our system, and getting really significant results. So really quick, a little bit about me and why you should pay attention to this video if you're looking to get with myEcon or get started. I'm an Infinity with myEcon, which is one of their top ranks. I did that in only a matter of a few months. I was one of the fastest people in the company to rank up to Infinity. And I've also made hundreds of thousands of dollars online. And what you're going to learn about in this video is a duplicatable system that you can simply plug into. As a matter of fact, the same system that I use with myEcon is the same system that bought me this brand new house that I'm literally sitting in right now last year. As a matter of fact, if you look at that video, you see the two windows over on the left-hand side. That is the home office that I am sitting in as I record this video. Now, here is what our system will get you. You're going to get everything you need for your myEcon business, and we're going to give it to you all free once you pay your membership to join. So it's simple. You're going to get a done-for-you system, which is going to have all of your sales funnels. We're going to do the email marketing for you, so you don't have to worry about clunky autoresponders and API integration and HTML code and all that other stuff, what to write in your emails. We're going to handle all that for you. We're going to follow up with your leads for you every single day until they buy or unsubscribe. Also, we're going to train your members for you. Yes, that's right. Our system does the training for you, which means when you get a new sale and your myEcon member joins you, you don't have to worry about what to say, how to plug them in, all that stuff. We're going to handle that for you. We're even going to give everyone step-by-step guidance right from day one, hold their hand and show them exactly how to start sharing their myEcon affiliate link, just like we're going to show you. We're even going to plug you into our rotator, which I'm going to explain here in a bit, and how you can get started. And we're going to share your link for you and help you get sales. Add it all up, and it's well over $15,000 in free value because, plain and simple, my friend, systems cost money. We're going to give you our custom app. This is customizable to you. You simply put your myEcon username into your app. You start sharing your affiliate links, and they go through the sales funnel process. When someone goes to your myEcon sales funnel, you're actually going to get a cha-ching notification on your app, and you're going to know in real time when someone is watching your myEcon sales funnel. You're going to be able to follow up with that lead. You can text, email, or call that lead right from your app. So systems cost money, guys. So funnels, video hosting, email marketing, this app, this literally costs me thousands of dollars each month to run, and you're getting it for free with your myEcon business, guys. It's literally everything you need: training, funnels, a custom app, content, and marketing. Yes, we're going to teach you and show you how to start sharing your myEcon affiliate link, and we're going to show you the best ways to do that right now. And by the way, we're going to show you that for free, meaning you don't have to buy ads. You don't have to do Facebook ads or YouTube ads or Bing ads or any of those things. We're going to show you free organic marketing. We're going to give you the viral content that is working right now for our team. The same viral content that our team members are using. You saw all that duplication, all those people that are making sales. This is the same exact process that they are going through. It's literally a done-for-you business in an app. And all you have to do, my friend, is watch, learn, and do. So if you're serious about getting started in myEcon, this is our three-step plan to work with you. Number one, we want to get you into positive profit as quick as possible. And yes, you can do this in your first 24 hours, okay? Number two, we want to help you get to a walk-away $100,000 per year or more income. Walk away meaning you could potentially walk away from your full-time job and, yes, do this full-time like myself and many other people on our team. Number three, we don't want to just give you a system. We don't want to just give you an affiliate link and say, here you go. We actually want to work with you and help you develop the skill sets needed to sustain a long-term financial secure future here online, because trust me, my friend, it is possible. So we're going to show you those skill sets. We're going to teach you that in our training site so you could develop long-term skills. So no matter what you promote, you're going to know exactly how to do it. And this is as simple as this system is, my friend. And I'm going to walk you through it here in just a second, but this is how you make money online. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You don't need to download ebooks and buy courses and sign up for coaching programs and get all this crap you don't need. Literally, this is how you make money with myEcon. You get your link, you share your link, you earn commissions. And I know you're looking at the screen going like, dude, it's not that simple. But yeah, it really is. And when you start falling down those side hustle rabbit holes or the YouTube rabbit hole here, and you start watching video after video after video, that stuff doesn't earn you money, guys. Sign up, go get your link, and get started. It's as simple as that, okay? This is even what it looks like, okay? We're going to show you how to get grab and go content, viral content. You're going to take it, you're going to upload it to your phone, you're going to share that out to social media. And yeah, you don't even have to show your face on camera if you don't want to, because we have faceless grab and go content that you can literally start using today without editing any videos, like really stupid simple. And we're going to show you how to slap your affiliate link on that piece of content so you can start generating leads and sales. Now, the alternative is if you don't want to do myEcon and you want to go do something else, you could get out there and you could start shopping for affiliate links. You could sift through hundreds of thousands of offers out there like JVZoo or ClickBank or Warrior Plus, or again, you could just get sucked into the rabbit hole here in YouTube, or you could get plugged into myEcon. We can literally give you our app for free, an app that literally costs me over $1,000 a month just to run. Okay. We're going to give you that for free. It's going to have all of your training, your funnels, and you're going to know in real time when someone's looking at your funnel so you can follow up and close that sale right from your app, which makes it really easy to get out there and go crush it with myEcon. Again, why we have so much duplication on our team, because this is the #1 system for myEcon. End of story. This is even what it looks like once you get inside. Now there's a desktop version and there's an app, but this is what it looks like once you get inside. You follow the blueprints, you get results, you start duplicating, your team starts duplicating, you make even more money. It's really simple, right? You're going to watch a video that says, watch this first. Can't mess that up, right? That's pretty straightforward. Then you're going to go download our app. It's pretty simple. And don't ask me for the app. I get a lot of people in the comments that are like, hey, what's the app? No, you can only get that exclusively through us. Okay. So don't go searching for it. Trust me, you're not going to find it. Okay. Once you get our app, then you start going through the taking action process. Okay. In that, our goal, again, remember step #1, our goal is to get you up and profitable as fast as possible. The goal is in your first 24 hours. So you're going to go grab your affiliate links. Okay. It says right there, start setting up your domain and your forwarding links. Okay. Then you're going to take action. Once you're watching that action video, which teaches you how to go do the thing that's going to get you a sale, you're going to click the button right below the video after you watch it. It's going to open up some folders. Inside of those folders, you're going to see multiple different examples of viral grab and go content, faceless content, speaking videos, non-speaking videos. We literally have hundreds of different pieces of viral content that you can use, or you can clone and make your own version of, whatever works best for you. Now, once you grab one of those pieces of content, you're going to upload it to your phone. You're going to share it out to social media. It's as simple as that. And a lot of people might say, well, Daniel, I get it, but what if I don't have any followers? What if I am shy? What if I'm an introvert? What if I'm this? Insert excuse here, right? Here's the truth, my friend. Please hear me out when I say this. Everyone starts at 0. It's up to you if you want to stay there. If you want to stay stuck, if you want to stay at 0 followers, if you want to stay at limited friends, limited resource, limited cash flow in your bank account, if you want to stay there, that's cool. This ain't the video for you. If you want to build and grow and expand your followers, expand your bank account, expand your knowledge, expand your entrepreneurship and get better, then we're going to show you how to do that. Okay. Here's some screenshots from video testimonials that have been sent to us with people that are using our system. I'm not going to go through all of these. Catherine, $1,500 in her first 7 days. Kylie, she's a massage therapist. She still has a full-time job. She generated 30 sales in her first 2 weeks. This is a great second income for her and her family. Brogan, He's a roofer. He was literally able to walk away from his full-time job and now does this full-time. We literally have people sending us positive feedback every single day. Check out Terry's comment here. Yes, have to agree. Best system and training I've seen in all my years of being online. A major plus is I could tell others when thinking of joining us that they will get the ultimate in training and support. So plain and simple, it works, my friend. But hey, don't take my word for it. Let's hear from people that are literally using our system right now.
Hey, Catherine here from San Antonio, Texas. And in the last 7 days, I've been able to generate over $1,500. Not only does it make me a 5-figure monthly income, but it allows me to be a stay-at-home mom with my 3-year-old daughter, which is what I always dreamed of.
What's going on, my friend? I'm Terry and Hawkins here. But listen, this system has been absolutely amazing. I've been able to earn over $1,300 within my first 7 days.
Hey guys, Callie here from Louisiana. I was able to generate 30 sales within my first 2 weeks because of the proper training and the proper guidance that I received.
Brogan here from Colorado Springs, Colorado. I've been able to officially quit my 9-to-5. I've been able to generate some incredible income because of this business. And the best thing is, you can do this anywhere. This is the best form of residual income I found, and you can find it too.
This is Lance. I'm out in Springfield, Virginia, and I've been using this awesome system and funnel that has already created 5 sales just within 2 weeks, and that is amazing.
Hey, Kirsty here. I'm a mom of 3 kids. To be able to generate $3,200 my first 10 days, I could not be more thrilled about what this opportunity has.
Brandon Hall here from Virginia. The app makes it so simple to generate leads, turning into weekly commissions.
My name is Abby Pruitt from Hamburg, Arkansas. I was trying so hard to find a way to help my family get some debt relief, and I have done just that. If you are looking for a team that actually has you and your success in mind, then it's the place to be.
Hi, I'm Ashley from Cincinnati, Ohio. I have tried to step into the passive income world multiple times and I failed because I did not have the proper guidance and support. But since joining them, I was plugged into a community that guides you and leads you, real people, real time that actually respond to you. And with doing so, I was able to generate almost 30 sales in 7 days.
Hey guys, Jamie from Utah here, and I am so beyond excited to be part of this truly industry-changing team. Nowhere in marketing will you find a team and leaders who are more dedicated to your success. Get in on what this site has to offer and hold on, because your life is going to change.
It's Ari here from Wisconsin. Within just 7 days of working with them, actually within 3 days of working with them, I was able to get 7 sales, 7 referrals using the exact methods that they teach. Definitely get in on the action, because I promise you, my friend, it is 100% worth it. Get off that fence right now, my friend. I promise you will not regret it.
Hey, Katie from San Diego, California. Since this training and team keeps it super simple, not only am I getting results, but every team member I plug in here is also able to get started and see results very quickly.
Jason Jordan here. Our team, I can't say enough about the team. The training site is amazing. I was able to come in and within the first 10 or 12 days, made 5 sales, got monetized just like that. Don't hesitate. You need to be here. You need to be on this.
Now, how do you get paid with myEcon? Well, it's very, very simple. This is the compensation plan in a nutshell, okay? When someone joins you, either at the $20, $40, or $100 level, you're going to get $15, $35, or $70 in instant commissions, okay? Now, what's really cool is as your team starts to build and grow and duplicate, just like I showed you right at the very beginning, you can get overrides, and you can get anywhere from about $1 all the way up to $13 overrides, and that can pay down to infinity. So depending on your rank and how much action you take, you can earn a lot of money with the myEcon comp plan as you start to rank up. Trust me, my friends, even though this is low ticket, this pays big. We have multiple 5 and some 6-figure monthly earners inside of myEcon. Oh, by the way, you get paid via direct deposit. So the money's going to go right into your bank account. There's no PayPal or any of that funky business here. It just goes right into your bank. So what are the products? If you're not familiar with myEcon, what are the products? Well, it's simple. If you come in at the $20 or $40 level, you're going to get access. All of these things are designed to help you save and make more money. And by the way, it's all 100% digital, my friend. So you're going to learn income shifting, which is literally how you can earn more money at your current job. You can literally give yourself on average a 10 to 15% raise in your paycheck. And this is ethical. This is legal. And we're going to show you the right way to do this. My credit system, plain and simple, you're going to learn how to fix your credit. If you got bad credit, you're going to learn how to fix your credit and get your credit into the 7 or even 800s so you could be poised for success. Debt elimination software, plain and simple, my friend. We're going to help you get rid of that debt. We're going to show you a simple and easy way you can do that. You can plug right in. You can start using all of these services as soon as you start, okay? Investment education training. We're going to show you how to make your money start working for you and give you the right education so you could be making the right investments that yield a positive return for you. Now, if you come in at the $100 level, you're going to get access to everything that I just shared with you, but you're also, in addition to that, going to get the Zingo Travel Club, okay? This is where, yes, you can travel in style, my friend, and this travel engine will beat anything else out there on the market because you get a 110% price match guarantee, okay? And you can also earn points and redeem those towards future travel. And over time, if you're booking a good amount of travel, you can travel for free. It's pretty awesome, right? You're also going to get ID Defender. If you've ever heard of LifeLock, you know that this is a system that will protect your personal information. It's like having a vault around your social security number and your personal information to make sure that you never get scammed, you never get your identity stolen, all of that. It's really awesome. And you're going to get access to that at the $100 level. So my friend, when you combine our front end system with myEcon, you're literally getting a done for you business in an app. It's everything you need. It's all 100% digital. Your funnel team is the front end marketing system that has all of your sales funnels. And obviously the sales funnels convert, my friend, because you heard the testimonials, you saw the duplication. It's everything you need right in an app on your phone. Boom. We tie in myEcon on the back end. You don't have to worry about integration or anything. It's all built in and done for you. We're literally giving you everything you need: the training, the funnels, the custom app, the content, the marketing. We follow up with all your leads for you. And again, a done for you business in an app. You simply have to watch, learn, and do, and you can get the results. So if you got value from this video, my friend, if this all makes sense for you, it's time for you to plug in and get started. And I can promise you, it is much better to be on the inside here working with us than it is sitting there on the outside looking in. The only way for you guys to get results is to take action. Remember this: success is not found inside of your comfort zone. It's on the outside. So stretch yourself a little, push, because if you don't try, you never know. Okay. So if you want to get started, my friend, link in the description down below, or you go ahead and type in elevatemyincome.com into your browser, and that will take you to the sign up page where you can lock arms directly with me. Go ahead, my friend, link in the description down below, get yourself started, and I will see you, my friend, on the inside in just a few minutes.